This is my game, guys. This is my.
No, it's not. It's my game, of course.
No. This is my game, bro.
Honestly, no hands, and I'm on the keyboard, guys. This is my
This
laptop.
is my game.
No, this is not my game.
That's your game, you know? That's your game. Guys, this is my. I'm gonna put some stuff. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy this thingy.
No, I can't because I can equip it.
Yeah. You can equip it, bro. You're a pro at this. This is my little bro.
No, you're the middle child. What do you mean? You're the middle child.
This is my skin, guys.
No, this is not mine. This is not your skin.
Bro, no. And I can. This is my computer.
No, it's not. I'm using it. What do you mean?
I gave it to him so he can play, guys. I gave him the laptop and he plays. This is my cousin. He playing Focus right now, and this is my computer.
I'm playing with a unknown person, but I'm gonna decline his friend request. So
Bro, what the crap? Tia, even that's a planet. You know? You know?
he's a wooden sword. Are you kidding me?
Bro, this is the trash. Guys, oh no. Defend our country is gonna be played. Next is Rivals.
He's gonna replay by protecting my country.
Next is Rivals. And
No.
next day.
I'm not gonna have this
Press
guy
this.
anymore. Just kidding.
Press this.
Stop.
Bro, you're hitting me. That's my laptop. I gave it to you, bro.
No, it's my Kuya's laptop. He's 14 and you're just 10.
Bro, you're 6 years old and you can play
I'm
that
7
thing.
and you forgot I have a birthday.
You don't
And
have
you're
a birthday,
even-
bro. You
I'm
don't have a
7.
birthday.
What do you mean I'm 7 now?
Oh no, press this.
No.
Okay.
You're getting so overhand in Roblox.
It's because that's on my computer. I gave it to you, bro.
No.
Oh, you're lying
not
now?
Even 14,
You're
bro.
lying now. You're
No.
lying now.
No.
Bro,
I'm not
this is
lying.
my video.
What do you mean?
He's from Philippines and speak Tagalog, bro. You guys don't know how Tagalog is. And this is my skin.
So I'm upgrading his base, but I don't care because I'm gonna destroy it with a nuclear bomb when in the future. So
Ain't no way. Philippines
So,
getting
Philippines
don't get old, no. Guys, subscribe, bro.
No, don't subscribe to him.
Bro, this is my laptop. This is my laptop.
Unsubscribe.
This is my laptop. This is my laptop, bro.
And I have a video and like it and subscribe it and comment and then
He don't have a video. Even his TikTok and many YouTubers. This is my phone and that's my laptop. I gave it to him. He's playing like a serious boy. Bro, you're epic now, bro. Look at that. Press this.
no, because you're not my older brother.
No. Okay, I'm gonna store the guys. Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's my gun for a second. And bye bye guys.
Okay.